The anti-inflammatory diet, foods that fight inflammation and improve health. Have you ever wondered how food can directly impact your long-term health? It's no secret that what we put on our plate significantly influences our physical and mental well-being. Chronic inflammation, for example, is associated with several diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. What if I told you that there was a way to combat this inflammation naturally, just by changing your diet? This is exactly what the anti-inflammatory diet proposes. But what exactly is this diet and how does it work? First, let's understand what inflammation is. The inflammatory process is, in essence, the body's natural response to injury or infection. In short periods, inflammation is beneficial, as the body is fighting harmful agents. However, when this response becomes chronic, it can lead to a number of health problems. Factors such as stress, lack of exercise, and, of course, diet can cause a state of continuous inflammation. Have you ever felt constantly tired, have muscle pain, or digestive problems? These could be signs that your body is dealing with internal inflammation. Now, think about how what we eat can be one of the main triggers of this chronic inflammation. Foods rich in saturated fats, refined sugar, processed carbohydrates, and chemical additives overload our body. Not only do they provide few nutrients, but they also stimulate the production of pro-inflammatory substances, hindering the body's ability to self-regulate. Have you ever stopped to think about how your current diet could be contributing to these problems? Often, the symptoms we experience can be directly linked to what we eat on a daily basis. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. So what are the foods that can help reduce this inflammation? Let's start by talking about fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants. Foods such as spinach, kale, broccoli, carrots, and fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, and pomegranates are essential. These foods contain antioxidants and phytochemicals, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which fight free radicals, the main causes of inflammation. Have you noticed that the vibrant colors of these fruits and vegetables are an indication of their benefits? The more colorful your dish, the better it will be for your body. How about trying adding a serving of red fruits to your meal today? Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Another very important group are foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. This type of fat is a true hero in combating inflammation. Fish such as salmon, sardines, and tuna are excellent sources of omega-3, in addition to helping to reduce bad cholesterol levels. However, if you're a vegetarian or simply don't eat fish regularly, you can get these benefits from plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Have you ever tried making a fruit smoothie with chia or adding nuts to your salads? Small adjustments like these can make all the difference to your health over time. And the spices? They are true treasures when we talk about fighting inflammation. Turmeric, for example, is widely known for its anti-inflammatory properties thanks to the presence of curcumin, its main active compound. It is so powerful that many studies compare it to anti-inflammatory medications, but without the side effects. Ginger and garlic are also excellent options to include in your daily meals. Have you tried adding a pinch of turmeric to your rice or ginger tea to start the day with more energy? Processed foods are the main villains. Now, we can't talk about inflammation without mentioning what we need to avoid. Processed foods are the main villains. These foods, which include soda, chips, sandwich cookies, and fast food, are high in sugars, trans fats, and artificial preservatives, all of which are known to promote inflammation. Not only do they increase inflammation levels in the body, they also lead to weight gain, another contributing factor to inflammatory diseases. Have you ever noticed how you feel after eating fast food? Probably with little energy and even more bloated. This is your body struggling to process these foods. And the drinks? Many people don't realize it, but what we drink also plays a crucial role in inflammation. Excessive alcoholic drinks, soft drinks, and processed juices are full of sugar and substances that directly affect our health. On the other hand, teas, especially green tea, are excellent allies. Green tea contains catechins, compounds that help reduce inflammation and even protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases. Have you ever thought about replacing that soda at lunch with a cup of iced green tea? In addition to being refreshing, it is a step towards a healthier life. Have you heard about resveratrol? This antioxidant compound, found in purple grapes, berries, and even red wine in moderation, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory benefits. It helps fight cellular aging and protects the heart. Of course, this doesn't mean you should start drinking wine with every meal, but an occasional glass can have some benefits. Plus, adding resveratrol-rich fruits to your daily meals is a simple and tasty way to protect your body against inflammation. The intestinal microbiota. Now, let's talk about a point that is often forgotten. The intestinal microbiota. The intestine is considered our second brain and is directly related to inflammation. Foods rich in fiber and probiotics are essential for maintaining intestinal health. Natural yogurts, kefir, kombucha, and fermented foods such as kimchi and sauerkraut are sources of probiotics that promote the balance of intestinal flora. This balance is crucial as a healthy gut is able to fight inflammation more effectively. Have you been paying attention to your gut health? Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has also gained prominence as a practice that can help combat inflammation. Studies suggest that controlled periods of fasting help reduce levels of inflammatory markers in the body, as well as promoting cell renewal. However, it is important to emphasize that fasting must be done with appropriate guidance, as each body reacts differently. Have you heard about the benefits of fasting for cellular health? Perhaps this is an interesting strategy to consider in conjunction with an anti-inflammatory diet. Hydration. Finally, it is essential to remember that hydration plays a vital role in this process. Drinking water is essential to keep your cells functioning properly and help the body eliminate toxins. Herbal teas are also great allies in the fight against inflammation, as well as promoting relaxation and well-being. Are you drinking enough water throughout the day? Small changes like this can have big results for your overall health. The anti-inflammatory diet is not a fad or a quick fix, but rather a lifestyle change that seeks to promote long-term health. By incorporating more anti-inflammatory foods and reducing your consumption of processed foods, you will be investing in your future. So how can you start this transformation right now? How about choosing an anti-inflammatory food for your next meal? Small choices today can mean big benefits tomorrow. Following an anti-inflammatory diet is not just about avoiding disease, but adopting a lifestyle that improves your quality of life in the long term. By including fresh foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and powerful spices, you'll be fortifying your body against harmful inflammation and moving closer to vibrant, long-lasting health. Small changes, such as replacing processed foods with whole foods and choosing healthy drinks, can make a big difference in your mood, well-being, and even in the prevention of chronic diseases. Now that you know how what we eat can directly impact our health, how about starting to make these changes today? With discipline and good choices, the results will be visible in both the body and mind. If you like these tips and want to learn more about how food can transform your health, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Here, you will find many other videos like this, full of practical and scientific information to improve your life. So, click the subscribe button, activate the bell to receive all the news, and let's go on this journey of health and well-being together.